Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Liz Kidantis. Horrific and heinous crimes. That's how the Palm Beach County State Attorney is describing a sexual abuse case involving a child. Prosecutors are now seeking the death penalty against two men indicted last month, accused of repeatedly abusing the child, starting when she was just 6 years old. CBS 12's Antoinette Delbel joins us live from the Palm Beach County Courthouse with how this marks the first time the county pursues capital punishment in a child sexual abuse case. Annie?
Liz, a change in the law in 2023 makes these crimes against a child younger than 12 eligible for the death penalty. Now, if this case does go to trial here at the Palm Beach County Courthouse, it'll be a jury that'll hear the case and, if jurors convict, recommend death or life in prison.
Prosecutors with the Palm Beach County State Attorney's Office are now seeking the death penalty against two West Palm Beach men accused of repeatedly abusing a 7-year-old girl. They say that abuse began sometime between April and July of this year, when the little girl was just 6.
When someone commits sexual abuse on a child, there's just a whole nother level of cruelty and evil conduct that sometimes is hard to comprehend.
27-year-old Josue Mendez and 23-year-old Pablo Cobon Mendez were indicted by a grand jury in August. Investigators say the abuse was not only frequent, but brutal. The child was reportedly sexually assaulted almost every day and beaten with a belt. We reached out to Palm Beach County State Attorney Alexia Cox for an interview. Her spokesperson declined, but offered this statement from the state attorney that reads in part, quote, "The crimes committed against this young child are among the most horrific imaginable." It goes on to say, "In the gravest cases and when the victims are children, prosecutors have a duty to consider the strongest punishment available. In this case, that is the death penalty. This is about justice, accountability, and protecting the innocent." Former Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg agrees.
The allegations here are so horrific that I think it shows that the State Attorney's Office is prioritizing the safety of our children and wants to send the right message that you try to do something like this, you're going to get the toughest penalty.
And police say that the child confided in adults that she trusted. That's when the investigation began. The two men are being held at the Palm Beach County Jail. Live in West Palm Beach, Antoinette Delbel, CBS 12 News.